be doing an update on a hurricane that is on right now currently in the tropical ocean system. This hurricane is surrounded with thunderstorms that can produce dangerous lightning and very much thunder as well, because all thunderstorms produce thunder. Anyway, let's look at the hurricane. So guys, the hurricane is now, as you guess, heading to Africa. And when it hits Africa, it could produce severe winds, thunderstorms, even tornadoes. There's right now one water spout, because you can see a hook echo. Storms are likely for several hours or more. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.